habits that you need to break yourself from if you want to speculate. Get right back to ineffective speculators. Another thing they do, they buy cheap stuff. I'm back, and I got 5 more bad habits that you need to break yourself from if you want to speculate like a pro. Let's get right back to ineffective speculators. Another thing they do, they buy cheap stocks because they assume everything.
Natural gas, those are not specific, right? Not to say those are natural resources. So with everybody, and you now have the Bank of Japan, England, America, Chinese apparently loosening up. Everybody is now loosening the money supply, printing money.
Hi, I'm Max Kaiser. This is the Kaiser Report.
Jim and Howard.
We also had a relatively low discount interest rate where banks borrowed from the federal government. There's a lot more support for that to
The shortages are really all commodities developing and I'm going to make money in the commodities. If the economy does get better, it's going to print a lot more money. Place to be and we'll
I was just saying, I told you this has been happening for weeks. All we do is search stuff online. And we use several different search engines, but start page stuff just processes through. And if someone in the room is watching us, right, we hope they take it with the instruments, learning that they're going to go in and fix our searches. It's saying they're killing us. Of course they can't have me on here dominant. And I'm dominating all over the web now. We're being censored everywhere.
Everything in the world.
I have confirmed that people
maybe the US dollar will go up initially, but probably everything would be hit in the shock that made the oil. So I own gold. I'm not selling my gold.
The crash of Lehman Brothers. It was a discussion on my side of the former chancellor.
And what the Fed is doing is simply guaranteeing that
most people don't understand
the 0% interest rates prevent.
And perhaps you know Venus Project, you know the Free Gold Charter organization, you know perhaps the books and the stories of Gene Roddenberry, Star Trek, where we live in the world without money. I can tell you it is possible. But the problem we are facing is how can we get there? And all that we have to know is it happens in our minds. We have to push the right switches and then we will find the path.
Okay everybody, hello to another FM Signals info show. My name is still El-Erian from good old Germany and you're welcome to another 48 hours technical analysis and synthesis. Today on the 5th April 2012 with the dollar chief. So analyze this stuff again, it's still yours. Here we are, here we go, it's 17:57 Central European time on Thursday, even the 5th April 2012, or 11:57 at New York, or 17:57 in Zurich. However, here we are, here we go with the dollar chief 5-minute chart, and we see we've got here yesterday or the day before, here this week on Tuesday, if I'm not wrong, yes, Tuesday. Here this outbreak after before a while round about FOMC speech. So this area holds, by the way, and I know perhaps you remembered here last week, or in the last week I tried to figure it out or to cut out here this price area. So if you've got the nerve and don't short stop loss round about the lows. By the way, here are the lows of last month here. So if you used this zone as a barrier, we are in a pretty great upside trend, of course. So By the way, what to do jetzt, or jetzt, excuse me, jetzt, right now, of course, in English. What to do, yes, tomorrow unemployment data, what we disclosed. I will not create tomorrow and usually an review video. However, we'll talking to you on Monday. Yes, Monday, if I'm not wrong, is Wall Street Open. However, next week I will talk with you again. So excuse me, need to spend time with another things. However, let's come back or down. I would still prefer the long side here in this. I'm thinking here this 90 area is a great opportunity to buy dollar chief. So okay, here we've got the support. Yeah, we've got fundamental report, or let me split saying support from the Fed here, or the market seems, the market participant seems. Ben Bernanke didn't say no QE3, and if I'm not wrong, he nothing said. So the market interpreted this as as hold and wait, or hold back QE3 and wait. So we will see what will happen. And by the way, it's good for the economy, and perhaps it seems a good sign that the economy and the US will go out of the crisis without QE. So, however, that shouldn't be a fundamental report today. I want to give you a technical analysis, and I would still prefer the long side in this cross trade. So, okay, tomorrow, of course, we can trade cross trades on Monday, of course. On Tuesday, I'm thinking we won't have. So, excuse me. So we won't have so much volume tomorrow and on Monday. So this trading capability I would still take until Tuesday, Wednesday, so until next week, and I would still prefer the long side. Why? I don't thinking that we will get so worse data or so good data that the market that this upside trend, or much more here this downside trend we've got here from the middle or start March here to these lows round about 90, even until here start of quarter, will destroy this upside trend. So I'm created here this line, and I would create here however your risk appetite is, or if your risk on, how green, yellow or red your risk on is. I would create a stop here on the first, second or third line. Here my stop. So, and I would still prefer the long side. So if we broke off the last line, then I would wait and see what will happen. Perhaps we've got here a consolidation once again. So, and then we will see again what will happen. So perhaps this upside trend is too massive, too fast, too furious. However, we will see it in the next days, and I don't expect so much higher prices like here. So okay, so but who knows? However, analyze the stuff again. It's still yours. Okay, here we see to come to a point, break it down to end here the high lows of last month, and we see here were the lows. So I'm hoping last week you've created the stops a little bit lower here, and you are not squeezed out or used this as a buy area. So we are here in a pretty green line, green upside trend if you want, and here round about the middle, or at the 61.8% high low of last month. So okay, and if you go long, you can go long right here now, or even wait if we fall down. So I'm accepting lower prices here in the next minutes, hours, perhaps until the unemployment data tomorrow. So and then we will see. So don't forget, if you want to go long in this cross rate, you can go long, or even yes, take the stops here. You take the stops here, or even buy back round about 0.9022. So we are trading here about 0.92. So, and yes, here don't forget the stops, and it will come back here perhaps above this side. So trade this. So, and I'm thinking the bull side could be much more useful for making money, of course, than the short side in this cross rate. However, we'll see it next week. I will talk to you on next week once again. So have a great day, have a great trading day, have a great evening, have a great Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you're lovely, with your lovely people, and good morning, good day, and good night, whenever you're watching my FM Signals info show. My name is still Damegard from good old Germany, and it's Thursday, the 5th April 2012, 18:05 in Stuttgart, Frankfurt, Zurich, or 12:05 in New York. Best wishes. Bye bye. I'm Owen out.